So this is the Durango Casino and Resort. This is one of the latest addition of hotels and casinos here in Las Vegas. So this is the casino entrance right here. So Mexican restaurant. All right. So we're using the automatic doors. Ooh. It's nice. It's mijo. It's all brand new, and then this is the Oasis bar. Let's go right here. Cubs fan, and then this is another restaurant, Prime Cuts Fresh Fish. All right. So we're in the casino part of Durango. Then you can see they have the restrooms right here. And this is their, this is their sports book and a bar, and it looks nice. Yeah, a lot of, I think let's go around here. Oh, here? Yeah, that's right, the welcome. All right, let's go here. Let's just follow this walkway because in the middle it's the casino area, the one with the carpet. And so this is the parking lot right here, and IKEA is on the other side of the road, and then there's the sign right there. And this looks like a burger place. Burgers. So this is Herbs Burgers. Oh, this is the food court right here. So we have the breakfast served all day. Let me see. Yep, eat your heart out. So this is the their food court right here. Coffee and everything. They have Chinese, Hawaiian, and also a Japanese sushi. So restrooms. That might be, yep, that is for high limits. Oh yes, this is the high limits table. And then this is the another walkway going straight. Yep, that's right. And then this is the cashier, player services. Oh, excuse me. Another high limit slots. Oh, okay. All right. You have nice displays. Mm. And this is their gift shop right here. Gift shop. And so this is a coffee shop right here. And yep, this is their front desk. The entrance that goes to the hotel. And you go the other side and it's the casino restaurants. And this is the hotel side. So this is the hotel lobby and they have nice seats right here. All right, nice. Oh, and those are the elevators that goes to the hotel. And then, yeah, this looks like a lounge. And that's the entrance and exit. So yeah, it's a lounge area. Very nice for private parties or for events. And okay, so this looks like the Agave Ballroom meeting rooms. So this is their function rooms for seminars, conventions. Yep. Their entrance. So there's a summit going on, Culture Champion Summit. Oh. Race room and function rooms. Nice, very nice. Okay, and there's the wifey. Yep, enjoying the view too. So this is the summer house, Santa Monica. All right. It's another cookie, cocktail, breakfast, cold brew coffee. And this is the Mijo Modern Mexican Restaurant. And this is their entrance right here. And we're back in the Oasis. And the exit to the parking lot. So this is the tour of the Durango Hotel and Casino, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch this video next.